Anyhow, how are you doing today?
Uh, I don't think I get used to it yet. Yeah, I'm still sleepy because I just got up
Uh-huh.
10 minutes ago.
Oh, right. All
Can you
right.
hear
Any
me very well anyway?
yes, I can hear you.
Yeah,
Well,
okay.
though the voice is a little bit too soft.
Uh huh.
Uh,
Okay,
yeah.
hold on.
Mhm.
Maybe. How about this?
Yep, it's a lot better.
Okay.
Okay. So, by the way, since you woke up like 10 minutes earlier,
Mm.
you should have drank your coffee.
I should have, but uh, anyway,
Mm-mm.
I decided to watch my diet this year,
Oh,
so I try not to drink mixed coffee or something.
all right. So it's actually that's my New Year's resolution too. Like
Yeah,
I'm gonna watch my diet
yeah.
this year. Yeah, but
So
I can't really stop drinking coffee.
yeah.
That's weird. Yeah. All right. Anyhow,
Mhm.
so you mean to say like you're still not used to it? You're still not used to waking up early,
Yeah, right.
right? So what was your usual or your regular waking time?
Um, Before I uh, chose this time, at this
Mm-mm.
time, I used to get up at 7:30 or
Mm.
maybe
Wow.
8.
Mhm. Or maybe 8. Wow. So like you made a big adjustment, right? Like 1 hour.
Yeah, because there was no time to pick the picture teacher, and I
Mm-mm.
wanted to have a class
Mm-mm.
without
Delay.
um, my kids are not
Ah.
awake.
Uh-huh. Right.
They might interrupt a ring
Right.
my class.
Mhm. Yeah, all right. That's well, anyway, fighting.
Yeah,
Eventually
fighting.
you'll get used to it.
Yeah. Fighting
Yes.
is literally English.
Well, it's Konglish, I
It's
think.
congruent, right? So that's why I
Yeah.
asked you. But yeah, you used do it. I use it.
Well,
Yeah,
like in America, we don't usually, or
yeah,
America or the
yeah,
Philippines, we don't usually
yeah. I know,
say
I know.
fighting.
Because I'm Korean. Yeah.
Mm, yes. And like in Japan, I think they use fight, also
Yeah,
fight, only
yeah,
fight,
yeah.
then
Fight,
fighting.
fighting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But for us, like for foreigners, we would think that what you want to pick up a fight with me, like that.
Right, right. Yeah.
All right. Okay. Anyhow, do you have any plans for today?
Yeah. I asked the manager. Uh, I I could I could be taught uh, by you with a hop.
Uh
So
huh.
they said it's fine. So I would like us to have a class with a hop.
Uh huh. All right.
Yeah.
So okay, let's start with a hop then.
Yeah, but I actually how to say it? Uh,
Mhm.
I started a hop of a week ago.
Mm-mm.
So
Ah, a week
yeah,
ago.
yeah.
Mhm.
So I Okay. Uh,
So,
math.
what?
AHA Math Step 1.
Mm-hmm.
Seven,
This one?
37. Page 37.
All right.
Yeah.
Mini quiz.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so this is a bunch of numbers. All
Yeah.
right.
Yeah. A
So
lot of
I
numbers.
think this is the ordering. Is it?
Yeah. Ordering what? Right.
Okay. Yeah. So ordering numbers. So it comes before, after, in between.
Mm.
All right.
Yes.
Yeah. So kindly answer the following questions here.
Hmm.
Kindly read number one.
What comes after 54?
Mm-hmm.
Uh, I think 55.
So kindly answer in complete sentence.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Uh, the the number that comes after 54 is 55.
Yes. All right. That's very nice. How about
Okay.
number two?
What comes after 70 78?
Mm-hmm.
The number that comes after 78 is 79.
Mm-hmm.
What comes after 63? The number that comes after 63 is 64.
Yep.
What comes after 72? The number that comes after 72 is 73.
All right. Okay, that's very nice.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah. Before we proceed, I would want to ask because I was wondering, why did you choose A-Hope, by the way?
Mm, actually, I mean, it is kind of easy for me. I
Mm.
know it is easy for, but uh, I don't know the terms about doing math or something like uh, add and
Subtract, something like that.
divide.
Ah, divide.
Yeah, actually, I think there are many words that I don't know about the
Uh-huh.
math or science like this.
Mm-mm.
So uh, I just wanted to learn, and then maybe after a few years later, I would teach math or this kind of subjects
Mm-mm.
to my kids in the
Mm-mm.
future. So yeah,
All right, I understand. Okay, well, anyhow, it is more on the terms,
yeah.
right? Used in math. Okay,
Actually,
that's very nice. Mm-mm.
recently my eldest daughter learns this. Actually,
Mm-mm.
she count 1 to 10 in Korean.
Mm-mm. Right. So, it's what is that? It's important to have a parent's supervision, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that's very nice. So let's proceed to the next page.
Uh-huh.
Kindly read, yes, kindly read the instruction here.
Okay.
The first one. Mhm.
Grade 1 students are going on a field trip today.
Mhm.
We need to give them 56 cookies.
Mhm.
Uh, Mr. Baker gave us this tray of cookies. Count the cookies and tell if the tray has 56 cookies.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So basically, what we're gonna do is just to count the number of cookies. If it really is composed of 56 cookies.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Yes. Mhm. Let's
I
count.
Where is it? Uh, uh, 1, 2,
Uh-huh.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. It's confusing.
It's confusing.
Yeah.
I think it's best if you use the pen.
Mm.
Uh, there.
No, no.
Can you see
I
it?
mean,
Hmm?
I always use, I mean, count, yeah, count in Korean. So,
Ah,
when I counted, in English, actually,
yes.
20, 28, 27. It's
It gets confusing,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
Or like what we usually do, like one, you just count here first, and
Yeah,
then you multiply here.
yeah.
Yeah.
Uh, so, eight group
Uh-huh.
and
8 cookies.
eight cookies, and then, uh, four, five, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seven groups of cookie.
Yes. So
So,
8
50,
times 7.
56. So
Yes.
I don't know this.
Multi 8 multiplied by 6. 7.
Multiplied by.
Yes. Multiplied by.
Uh-huh. Can, can,
Uh,
can you type it?
so, yes.
Yeah. So I know how to, do this, but
Oh,
I don't
multiplied
know this.
2. Mm-mm.
Multiply two.
Yes.
Ah.
Divided by.
Uh-huh.
Divided by. a-
Divided by.
Added
Multi
to.
added two. Uh-huh.
Subtracted from.
Ah.
All right.
Subtracted means two,
Minus.
minus. Yeah.
Yes.
Ah.
All right.
Yeah.
If you use okay, if you use it in a sentence, you could just simply say 2 subtracted from 4
Mm.
gives you 2. Or you
Mm.
can say 2 minus 4, 4
Ah.
minus 2 equals 2. All right?
Ah.
Minus, you can use minus. This one, you can use it, you can use either multiplied 2 or times.
Yeah.
8 times 7.
Yeah. Times.
Yes.
Multiply two means times.
Yes.
Maybe I will, uh, practice.
Yeah, so this is plus, minus, times. This one is the same, divided by,
Uh-huh.
divided by.
Divided
Mm-mm.
by.
All right.
All
Okay.
right.
So, yeah. So, how many cookies all in all?
56. So, that, these cookies, uh, are we need, I think.
Are these cookies are what we need.
Uh, yeah, what we need.
Yes. All right. Or you can say these cookies are composed of 56 cookies.
Compost.
Yes.
What is compost?
Composed is like many items in one
In
or
one.
gathered in, yes,
Gathered.
compose or
Uh-huh.
consist.
Okay. Got
Yes.
it.
All right. So that's how you make a sentence out of it.
Hmm.
All right. How about the next one?
Neil wants to cross the bridge.
Mhm.
Some parts of the bridge are missing. Help Neil cross the bridge by telling him which numbers are missing.
Yes, using before, after, and
Between.
between.
Yeah, so the the first missing number, that comes between 40 and 42 is 41.
All right.
And since I mean, since it comes before uh, before 56, it's 55.
46.
45, 46. Yeah.
Yes.
Why 50?
Uh-huh.
And uh, the third missing number that comes 40. I mean, comes after
Yes.
47 is 48.
Yep.
And and since it since 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 the fourth missing number comes between 48 and 50, I think it's 49.
Uh-huh. Okay, or you can omit the word since. Yes, you can say the last number that comes before 50 is 49, like
Uh-huh.
that. Yes,
The
you can
last
omit since. Yes.
the last missing number.
Mm-mm. So, yes.
Okay.
All right. The last missing number that comes before 50 is 49.
Okay. The last
All
missing number
right.
that
Very.
comes before 40 is 50, 49 is 49.
Is 49.
Okay.
Yes. All right. So, yeah, let's move on to. So, are you completely okay with the construction of the sentences?
Yeah, yeah, completely
Yes.
okay.
All right. Oh, it's taking too. All right.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's
It,
taking too long to
it's okay.
load.
The internet is weak.
I'm sorry.
Internet connection is weak or slow.
Uh, I'm not sure about that.
So
Wow.
yeah, now I'm on it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you did see it?
Uh, there. Okay, it's already
Mm-hmm.
here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. So, page 40.
Yeah, furry. Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah. All right.
Louder.
So this is homework. Do you usually do your homework at home, or you do this in class?
I just I did this at uh in my class.
In class.
Yeah, in
Uh-huh.
class. Yeah.
All right. So let's do this then. So
Mm-hmm.
kindly read the instruction.
Clara Clara wants to count from 1 to 60. She
Mhm.
has already counted from 1 to 50. Help her continue counting.
Yes.
Write the missing numbers on the blanks.
Yes, since you said a while back that you
Mm-hmm.
have difficulties counting in English, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I
N-
think it's the same with Korean.
yeah, right. Not difficulty, but sometimes uh, actually we have very short, short
Mm-mm.
uh, syllable. Or
I'm sorry?
uh, ex- I mean maybe if I count 50
Mm-mm.
or 46, it's very many characters. There are many characters,
Uh-huh.
but we just like two characters or something. So it's is I think is a little easier to count
Uh,
in Korea than
ah, yes,
44, 46, 45, 46, 47, 48. So
yeah.
we can say 41, 42, 43, 44 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ah,
It's kind of syllable, a short
yes.
or less
Short
syllable.
syllable.
Yeah,
Right. I got what you mean.
yeah,
Uh, because you have like two number system in Korea. Like you have the 이 삼사 오육칠 팔 구십
yeah,
like
right.
that, and then
Yeah,
하나
yeah.
둘셋넷.
Anadul is a little difficult, a little more difficult. But
Ah,
1, 2, 3, 4 is a lot easier. And
a
then,
lot easier.
yeah,
So that's.
so,
Mm-mm.
you know, have you heard that Korean people uh, can remember the numbers before? Because um, I saw the TV show before.
Uh-huh.
Uh, the TV show uh,
Mm-mm.
test or something
Mm-mm.
to Korean people and American people.
Mm-mm.
Uh, maybe there are, I mean, they were given uh, like 13 numbers or over 10 numbers, and then
Mm-mm.
they had to memorize the numbers.
Mm-mm. Uh-huh.
Yeah, but and then Korean people, the more Korean people can memorize all numbers than American people. So
Or you
yeah,
can say Koreans or Americans.
yeah,
So you mean to say Koreans can memorize more than Americans?
yeah.
Oh.
Koreans first because we can say maybe it's total random.
Mm-mm.
You can you can you memorize it in short time?
You know what? One friend of mine, his name is Gunhee.
Yeah,
So he's actually my friend, and he tested my IQ.
yeah,
He
yeah,
put random numbers.
yeah,
Actually, that was his number.
yeah,
And then I like he let me
yeah,
memorize it for like 30 seconds,
yeah,
and I memorized.
yeah.
And I was so surprised. Mm.
In Korea, that's very short syllable, but in English, five, one, four,
7, 1, 4, 6.
five, like it's very long.
Yes.
So I heard Americans uh, sometimes confused what
Mm.
they are count or something.
Yes. I got what you mean. Like they only have one syllable, so it's a
Yeah,
lot easier to memorize.
yeah, right, yeah. That's what I
Okay.
want to try to say.
Mm-mm.
Okay,
Right.
anyway,
Anyway, yeah, fighting since what is that? International
okay.
number system is a lot needed, of course, in
Mhm.
other parts of the world.
Mhm.
Then it's a must.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
So I think there's no need for you to
Mhm.
count from 1 to 50 because it's completely fine, right?
Mhm.
So just continue from 50.
Okay. 50,
Mm.
61, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60.
Mm-mm. All right. So yeah, that's very nice.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
Okay. Wow, you
Bunch
got
of
a lot of
number.
homework. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So you want us to skip or do?
Mm, yeah, it's fine for me to skip this part.
Right. Because I'm giving my students the choice to skip or do the
Mm.
things they wanted to skip or do.
Mm.
Uh-huh. So yeah, basically we're gonna move on to
Uh-huh.
lesson 6. Do you have any questions regarding number orders or ordering numbers?
No, it's okay.
It's okay. All
Yeah.
right. How about the ones and tens? Are you familiar with it?
Actually, these terms are not familiar with me. Uh,
All right.
mhm,
Yes. So we're gonna explain it further.
mhm.
So in here, kindly read the first paragraph.
Okay. Place value tells the value of a number based on its grouping or position.
Mhm.
In this lesson, we are going to learn the value of two groups,
All
tens
right.
and ones.
Yes. All right. So let's stop from there first. So the
Hi.
place value tells the
Mm.
value of a number based on its grouping.
Uh-huh.
So like when you have three numbers,
Uh-huh.
you're going to count it with ones, tens,
Two.
and hundreds,
Uh-huh.
right?
Yeah.
Yes. All right. So let's try counting the objects and
Mm-hmm.
group them in tens and ones. Okay.
Okay.
Let's look below.
Let's try counting the objects and group them in tens
Mhm.
and ones. Look
Mhm.
below. We can see that there are 10 blocks. These 10 ones are equal to 110.
Yes.
Ah,
Yes.
okay. Remember, we
Uh-huh.
can group 10 ones to make 110.
Right?
Yeah, I can understand.
So, yeah, so what is that? From one block, one block that which is composed of 10
Uh-huh.
makes 10 blocks,
10 block.
right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Haha. 10
All
blocks.
right. So
Yeah.
let's study more.
Let us study other examples.
Mhm.
We can see that there are 20 balls. These 20 ones are equal to two tens.
Yes.
Yes, I got
All right.
it. as,
uh,
as I
mm-mm.
as I can see the picture,
Mm-mm.
I can understand it.
Yes, it's even more understandable if there are figures, right?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, it's very helpful. Oh, right.
Oh,
So, but then
yeah,
I think we are running out of time. I'm
yeah,
sorry.